man, we back at it and shit. We at the car wash, man. You feel me? Yeah, shit. I'm on tomorrow right there, man. Look at this shit, man. This some ghetto ass shit. We have to get it from, like, bro. Like, what the fuck? Are you cleaning my shit good? Hey, make that shit straight, bitch ass nigga. You feel we got that weak ass SRT over there and shit. No, that bitch slow. That nigga thought that shit was so sweet. Holy shit, we got caught. Alright, man, put this bitch back over here. Alright, finna go check on this weak ass SRT and shit. Check on this shit real quick. Go on shit, for real. Go check on this nigga. Gonna get SRT. Head ass. Hey, what the fuck you doing this shit?
Washing my car and shit.
You said what?
Washing my car and shit.
Are you cleaning that?
We're not gonna speed past like he's not vacuuming the dashboard. Like, what are you doing?
Shit. Hey, what's up, nigga? Hey, nigga. You gotta hurry up and shit, right? Come on, shit. So we can do this POV and shit.
POV of what, nigga?
Nigga, we both driving, nigga. What the fuck is you talking about? Nigga wanna act dumb now and shit. Nigga wanna act dumb now and shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Why the hell these niggas keep looking at me while I'm on the camera and shit? Big hard. That's big hard. Oh, shit. You said what?
We both driving the nigga's car.
What, bro?
We both driving each other's car.
Boy, if you don't get...
Bro, that's nigga that...
Bro, I did not say that shit. Bro, his cool ass just look over here and shit. He like, these are YouTubers? Goof ass nigga. Bro.
I know you like my shit. Obviously, it's obvious why.
You said what?
I mean, it's obvious why I look at my shit.
For real? I ain't gonna lie. Fuck is he looking at that big ass diesel truck and shit? Go and get shit for real.
Got the carbon fiber hood and shit.
Nigga said carbon fiber. I'm trying to... Nigga, what?
It's just water on it right now, so it don't look right and shit, bro.
Really about to get your pickle chin that boy, egg on that collard green head that boy, oh head that boy, your dirt that boy, stink that boy, afro head that, lip gloss chin that boy, ugly that boy, ugly.
On the carbon fiber hood. We got this bitch gotta add like 30 horsepower, bro. Okay. Tell me,
This bitch add 30 horsepower?
30, no, at least 30, cause look,
30 and shit.
Aerodynamic, so when you go fast, that bitch go like that. Fast, you know? The rims, feel me? The rims got little, you feel me?
Little what?
I got big boy nittos on them right now, no
Big
more.
boy nittos and shit?
I'm gonna get big boy nittos back on them and shit.
Back on and shit?
Jack tires and shit.
Alright,
So that's like
shit.
100 horsepower.
Alright.
I ain't got no back seat. No back seat in this bitch, so you feel me? I don't know what the fuck he's sitting on and shit right now, baby. No back seat in me right now. Feel me? Extra horsepower, extra 100 horsepower and shit, you feel me?
Oh, for real? Alright, so when we gonna start this POV job?
Yeah, you feel me?
Hey, he just put his hands up. That bitch lit as hell.
Feel me? We got SRT sticker,
You said SRT
50
sticker and shit?
horsepower and shit.
For real? Alright.
Yeah, you feel me? A couple, come on now.
Bro, what, bro?
That's more 30 horsepower.
Bro. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Bro, let's go do this POV and shit. Let's go do the POV and shit. Alright, come on and shit. For real and shit. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. We gonna get back to y'all boys and girls. We finna go do this POV and shit. Finna get lit and shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah and shit. We up. POV drive and shit. Do this shit for real. Oh, I was gonna slide this bitch too. What the fuck? We gotta go this way and shit. POV driving shit. Look, he looking like, fuck! We can't even grip and shit. Too much power and shit. He supposed to be in a POV job. He go all the way back there and shit. Can't even see him and shit. Nigga lost in the sauce for real. Hell yeah, shit. My little cousins and shit with me.
Boy, first off.
What? Boy, shut your little ass up.
I'm sure.
That bitch fire, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we already getting straight to it and shit.
I feel like you should let her hold it.
So let her hold the camera and shit. We gonna hand the camera over and shit to my little cousin and shit. You can't put that bitch on me and shit if you going to and shit. He's slowing down and shit. I think he wanna race. Hey, get this on the vlog and shit. I mean, not vlog and shit. I ain't shit. Hey, say 1, 2, 3 and shit. Say 1, 2, 3. Say 1, 2, 3 and shit. All right, see you later. You feel me and shit? Okay, let me see your shit. You feel me and shit?
Somebody else's stuff is good, I ain't even gonna lie.
Come on, it sound alright. It sound alright. I mean, not too much, not too much. It sound alright though. You feel me? Dude! Oh, you thought who that was too? No, it ain't him though. His ram's different. I ain't gonna lie, this kind of feel kind of weird holding the tripod now. I'm so used to holding the phone. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I think we got some action. We got a charger over here pulling up on the side. A big Conga SRT. Look, she looking. She like, babe, why don't yours sound like that? She like, babe, why don't your car sound like that? That's tough, my guy. You should have bought an 8-cylinder, my boy. I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. It ain't got no action, man. It's not gonna be like the last POV. Get back to y'all. We got action. Let's go. Alright, man. We got some let's see, we got some action real quick, guys. We finna try to walk in. Why is he still hitting the gas for? He gonna still hit the gas. You know what we gonna do, y'all? We gonna throw in them hazards for him. Hazards for him, y'all. You feel me? Brimbo was saying life, y'all. Remember that. You gotta remember that. See, look at him and stuff. We gonna turn right here.
That police looking right at your way.
Why you cussing? Doing all that cussing and stuff for no reason.
Ask me, donkey.
But why is he? Bro, he know I'm recording. Why are you on my right side? He don't have no IQ. Y'all boys tripping in that boy, huh? Y'all boys tripping. I hit that ball. Hold this one real quick. Feel me and stuff. Feel me. He can't even do it. Can't even do it, man.
I hate when people be braking and ain't nobody in front of them.
Man, I just tried to hit the brake and hit the gas. Yo! Boobers. That sounds cute. That boy Clark blowing dust. Trying to cut up cam and get skinny, y'all. He don't even know the definition of getting skinny. I could lose him next sponsor. But I'm gonna leave him like that. This thing gonna really be lost in the sauce. Unsubscribe.
You told me the last thing you was going to
Where was he? Oh, I thought he was getting over too. Too big for that, boy. Oh, they getting skinny too. Alright, y'all, I think we got some action. We got a Date Tizzle right there, man. If only we can get to him. If only we can get to him.
Where's it taking?
Right there. Bro, this Audi really driving so slow. This Audi driving slow, bro. Can't even, bro. Uh-oh, Daytona. say drop a gear and disappear. He trying to get with it too. He trying to get with it. And it's an SS right there. Come on, have some fun, man. Onk said he ain't around with it.
Is it beast mode? What are you talking about?
All right, YouTube, man, we finna end it off right there, man. You feel me? We got
Get the exhaust and shit. Get the exhaust.
the exhaust and shit. Let me hear some. Shot! Shot! We finna end off the video like this and shit. All right, man.
Stay tuned, like and subscribe.
Hey, get it! We out here, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, that motherfucker slow as hell, but we'll get back to y'all in the next video. Let's go!